Hi everybody, Brad McCullough here. Over the last few weeks, we've done a few videos that talked about a factory maintenance assessment and the 7 categories that we analyzed. We're really trying to improve an overall maintenance program. So through those, I've touched on the details of each one and what we look at and how we rate them. Now I want to take a few minutes and just show you what the end result might look like at a real high level. So come along with me. So let's take a look at what an assessment report might look like. Here's the basic flow. Process overview, assessment participants, business situation, maintenance system performance, improvement plan, project timeline, measurements, and continuous improvement. So this is what a week looks like. We spend a week in the plant, have a kickoff meeting. We spend first part of the week understanding manufacturing, the analysis, asset performance, what it's worth to you if you improve asset performance. Then we get into the key elements of the maintenance analysis program, and we do this by looking at data, interviewing lots of employees, really understanding what's going on in your business so we can zero in on the areas for improvement that have the biggest impact on your business. Then we go away, we create the report and come back to this, and then we give you a presentation. So one of the things we do when we're giving a presentation, the first thing we thank the participants and we talk about who we talked to and what their titles were. So that lends credibility to the data collection effort, right? Next, we go through and talk about your business situation and your goals. And there's some other charts that can go into this. OEE calculations that I've showed you before, the value of improving asset performance. We really get into why would you want to make a change. Here's the overall assessment, the key elements. And you know I like that 1 through 5 rating. And then green is like the 3rd priority of improvement, yellow is 2nd, and red is number 1. So here you can see organizational alignment is rated needs improved by a 2, and it's red, so it's something we'd work on quickly. We get in a safety program. Here's the elements you can see in the green, red, and yellow. Over here we talk about what we've seen and why we've rated them the way we have, and oftentimes there's more detail behind this chart. I'm just giving you a quick overview. Organizational alignment, key areas. Workforce, definition, right? Here's a definition. Here they're having trouble hiring, attracting, and retaining technical people. So we go through each of these categories and we've assessed them and we start to categorize them. So tools and equipment, the CMMS is missing. So each one of these categories gets rated. There's information about it. We can talk about who we've talked to. And we're going to summarize this as we get through it all and then put a plan together to make things better. Spare parts, this one here, the plant, spare parts wasn't too bad. There's a couple areas that we needed to look at, right? Processes, the process documentation and training, we really study that. Documentation, library organization, equipment documentation, prints, backup. And we put a plan together. Here is just kind of the flow, the plan, the infrastructure, the workforce, so we move it forward. So we'll document this, and then we put a timeline, month 1, month 2, and this goes on. How are we going to implement this thing? And what's going to happen and who's accountable? So, and once you implement the plan, we really need a measurement system. So this is a 4-up methodology with a trend chart, a Pareto, actions, owners, due dates, and then any issues that we might have. There could be several of these as we measure different elements of the plan for improvement. So you have to measure things, you report on it frequently, and everybody really gets involved. So just a real high-level picture. I know I went really fast, but I did feel that I needed to come back and kind of show you what the report out would look like if we assess a maintenance program and how we drive it forward. In a lot of cases, people ask ATS to help them in these areas, but sometimes not. Anyway, I hope this helps. I just wanted to give you a quick overview. You'll see my email address and phone number at the end of this video. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions or you'd like to chat. Thanks. Have a great day.